Salut, vegheads! It's time to learn the names of some crops in French.
Language is the way we all communicate. Some may be different, but they are all great.
In today's video, we will learn how to say cherry, coconut, carrot, and cassava in French. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Cherry, in French, it is called cerise. Coconut, in French, it is called noix de coco. Carrot, in French, it is called carotte. Cassava, in French, it is called manioc. That's cerise, noix de coco, carotte, manioc. Now, let me hear you pronounce it. Say cerise. 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 Say noix de coco. Noix de coco. Noix de coco. Say carotte. 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 Say manioc. 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 Très bien. Alright, vegheads, it's your turn now. You say the name of the crop when I ask for the name. Vous êtes prêts? Okay, let's begin. What is this crop called in French? Cerise. What is this crop called in French? Noix de coco. Now, what is this crop called in French? Carotte. And what is this crop called in French? Manioc. Très bien. Let's try that again. What is this crop called in French? Cerise. What is this crop called in French? Noix de coco. Now, what is this crop called in French? Carotte. Comment ça s'appelle en français? Manioc. Très bien. Let's do that one more time. What is this crop called in French? Cerise. What is this crop called in French? Noix de coco. Now, what is this crop called in French? Carotte. Comment ça s'appelle en français? Manioc. Très bien. Remember, vegheads, we learned how to say cherry, coconut, carrot, and cassava in French. That's cerise, noix de coco, carotte, manioc. So that's it for these crops. Check out our other language videos to learn about other crops and in other languages. See you next time. Au revoir.
Language is the way we all communicate. Some may be different, but they are all great.
To further support VegEd, you can purchase our activity book on Amazon linked below.